What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. We have the Air Jordan 1 High OG Pollen set to release August 14th with a retail price of 170 bucks. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Big shout out to my brother HOLYSNEAKS, man. He always be coming through for me, man. All his information will be in the description below. Check out my brother Holy. Give him a follow on IG. I want to talk to you guys about a giveaway that's going on. I want you guys right now to show some love. All my DS Dan family, all you guys out there, my day ones, go show some love to my bro JSOLE. We have a giveaway going on right now. You can pick any out of any of these shoes right here, or you can win $350. Go check out JSOLE's Instagram. Go check out my Instagram. The links will be in the description below. And also subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm going to show you what his YouTube looks right now. It should be ending soon. So the Pollens is also in there, guys. You see it right there. You can win the Pollens. So if you guys want to win something, go into this giveaway. I'm gonna call these the Wu-Tang ones. All right, the quality is nice. Everything about these is just nice. I was really impressed when I seen them. They hit us with a dope box, black with the yellow on the box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is Pollen White Black. Retail is $170. Inside the box, you just got that regular white paper. We got a dope colorway right here. It's a pollen yellow, so it's more like, you know, golden yellow. I don't know if it does come with 3 sets of laces. White laces, black laces, and it comes with the pollen laces on the shoe. The quality is nice. We're gonna get straight into it. Take a look. As you can see, all leather shoe. Does have some smooth leather, and it also has the tumble leather. Starting off with the front of the toe, take a look. You can see the wrinkly effect. Leather's pretty good, man. I'm definitely impressed. The leather is nice. Black on the toe with your perforated holes. Yellow laces on the shoe, like I said. Black nylon tongue. Got that Nike Air on the tongue with the black swoosh. A white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. Very nice. The swoosh in the yellow, black in the middle. You can see with the tumble leather. You got your Air Jordan in the black with the wing. Medial, same as the lateral. Got the white on the midsole, black, yellow, nice leather, soft leather on the upper. Got the tumble leather in the mid part right there. As for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size. On Jordan 1s, I go true to size. The booty's looking nice with the black and yellow, all leather in the back. And up here on the top, it is nice plush. I'll show you guys the inner sole, just a regular inner sole with the Nike Air in there. All yellow bottom with the Nike branding. And that is basically it for the Air Jordan 1 Pollens. 1 to 10, what do I rate these guys? I rate these, no lie, I give these a 9 out of 10. I think they did a really good job. I like these a lot. Quality is nice. The colorway is different. I think these are a must cop. For all you guys out there that love Jordan 1s, these are a must cop. Now as for resale, they first drop, I want to say they're going to be from maybe $250 to $300 first. I could be wrong. Thank you all for your support, man. Don't forget, enter that giveaway. Don't forget, follow my brother HOLYSNEAKS. And if you're new to this channel, man, subscribe. I'm bringing you guys this early fire. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Thank you all for your support. Big shout out to all you guys out there. All my day ones. I love all you guys, man. We're about to get into this on feet of the Air Jordan 1 Pollens. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.